Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to divide a fraction by a fraction. When working with fractions and division, we need to remember three steps: keep, switch and flip. When we flip a fraction, that's called a reciprocal. This means we're going to use multiplication to solve these. This actually makes the process simpler. So let's get straight into the first example. So I got 3/4 divided by 1/7. So now let's use the three steps. Keep, so we keep the 3/4, switch the division to a multiplication, and flip this fraction. So put the 7 up top, the 1 at the bottom. Now it's just a matter of multiplying. So 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 1 equals 4. But now this is an improper fraction, and so we're not going to leave it like this. We have to divide 21 by 4. So how many whole groups of 4 is inside of 21? That's 5. 5. But 4 times 5 isn't exactly 21. It's 20. So we keep this one like this and the 4. So this will be your final answer of the first example. On to the second one. Second one is exactly the same. So we're going to use the same trick: keep, switch and flip. So we keep the first fraction as it is, 2/3. We switch to multiplication instead of division, and we flip to 2/5 like this. So now again we just multiply them. 2 times 5 equals 10, and 3 times 2 equals 6, like this. 10, 6. Again, this is an improper fraction, so let me just move this down real quick here. So this is an improper fraction, so we have to divide the 10 by 6. So how many whole groups of 6 is inside the 10? It's 1. 1. And then we're left over with 4, 6. Like this. But you always have to look to simplify the fraction. This one was already simplified, 1/4. You can't simplify it any further. But this one you can. So we have to find the common fraction. The common factor. In this case, the common factor is 2. So we divide them both by 2, which leaves us with 1, 2/3. So this will be your final answer of the second example. So this was the video on how to divide a fraction by a fraction. I hope you guys understand it now and enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, Mr. Mathz, and you can always leave a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.